आप देख सकते हो एम्पावरिंग एजुकेटर इन द ग्लोबल साउथ। ये काशी हिंदू विश्वविद्यालय से संबद्ध IUCTE में कुछ प्रोग्राम्स हो रहे हैं जिसमें यूनेस्को से करीब 19 कंट्रीज से डेलीगेट्स आए हुए हैं। आप देख सकते हो see the UNESCO delegates are enjoying. Good morning.
Sawadika, Namaste.
Yeah.
My name is Sudarat Phonpengpa from Thailand.
Thailand.
I have a great time here with IUCTE in India. I have learned a lot about EEC and also about universal design for learning. I have a great time. I fall in love with Indian food and
Indian food.
the hospitality of Indian people. Thank you very much.
Great.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
And say,
I am Nachalai Amnatvathanakul from Thailand. For me, it's a new experience that I live here, and I get the idea of the activity that we can use with the early childhood education.
okay.
Thank you.
What do you feel in Varanasi? Say
I
something.
feel happy and excited that we can learn about the culture of your country.
Okay.
And excited that I am happy that I can learn from you.
All the best.
Hello, I'm Claire from Thailand. For this course, for me is a good because I can apply to my classroom and I have a lot of new knowledge. And in Varanasi is a wonderful culture. Thank you.
Okay. What do you like to? Have you tasted the food of Varanasi?
Yes, food at Varanasi for me is tasty and new taste for me. I like it.
Okay. Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Say something about this experiences which you have.
Well,
Kindly introduce yourself first.
I am Mukete Terence Langwe. I am from Cameroon. I am an inspector of basic education
Okay.
in Cameroon. I want to say this is a wonderful experience I've gathered here so far in India. The conception I had before coming here is totally different.
Okay.
I've come here, I had a nice place to lodge, good food, the people so welcoming. I interact with them nicely, and our facilitators are just perfect. They have delivered the lessons in a wonderful way. Yes, ECL, SEL, digital technology, they are just so perfect in their presentations.
Would you like to suggest something?
What I want to suggest, I will suggest like Oliver Twist, who says we need more
Okay.
of such training.
Such training.
Yes, should come more often.
Okay.
And they should even increase the days.
Right.
The days that we have spent here, we need more days.
Okay,
so
more
that we
days.
can accumulate and really grab the theoretical part of it well.
How much percentage you have grabbed with respect of your sense?
Well, I've done my best. We've done the digital design learning. We've done emotional learning, childhood education, the brain development. There are just so many aspects that new concepts that I've learned that I find it.
That you are going to use now in your country?
Yes, obviously, I have to implement them back home, without which there is no essence of coming for this training.
Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Okay,
Good morning.
good morning. I'm Phublam from Bhutan. Then I've been here since 17 till today. So I've really enjoyed my stay here because we have a lot of countries here, like diverse people who have one goal as educators. So we have learnt a lot in this week's section of education. We have learnt a lot, and we like this atmosphere here. It's very homely, and we are grateful for the people who take care of logistics, like staying. We don't have to stay in a hotel. We stayed here, and like it was very safe for us. We felt as if we are in our home, very secure, and everybody, organizers have done a great job.
Ma'am, which thing you would like to contribute in this education system?
Since I'm
your
dealing
country.
with education, with early childhood, so I would like to definitely do the SEL and UDL, whereas I'm not a very technical person, like technology is not so, easy for me. But since I've come to terms with UDL, using of technology, camera, so when I go back, I've just learned the gist of it. So when I go back to Bhutan, I will try to,
Implement.
Yeah.
These all things.
Implement, and I will really work hard to browse and get myself at least technology, intelligence.
All the best, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Good morning.
Good morning.
अपने को इंट्रोड्यूस करिए. Kindly introduce yourself.
I am Anya Chakrabarti. I am a PhD in neuroscience, social affective neuroscience from University of Reading. And here at UNESCO MGIP, I am an Associate National Project Officer, Research. And I work with the Research and Development team.
Okay. What experience you have feel in this empowering educator programs?
Do you mean what experiences I had by
yeah.
taking part? I think it was an amazing opportunity for me, first of all, because I am one of the project leads for this early childhood care and education and social emotional learning project, right? But I come from a research point of view, I come from the neuroscience point of view. To be able to interact with so many teachers, impart what I know to them, the research, the neuroscience, the activities based on the research and neuroscience to them for all across so many countries. We have 19 countries, I think, but at the same time learn from them. What is the actual ground reality, what happens within the classroom, how what we know from the science and evidence can be better applied to the classroom settings. So it was an amazing learning opportunity, and IUCT made the whole experience like so worthwhile, because IUCT has an amazing experience. We have done workshops in many different countries and many different institutes, but their IT, the setup that they have was excellent. We had so many computers for the teachers, and their guest house is excellent. I think it's a great place, and I hope we can come back here to train more teachers, because it's an excellent place, like logistically, resource-wise, to train teachers.
Ma'am, would you like to say something about those features which you are going to add in the education system of India for its fruitfulness?
So, India national education policy that we have in India currently already mandates that social emotional learning should be integrated in early childhood education and care. So what UNESCO MGIP is doing is that it is trying to implement that. So I have created resources, courses, not only for teachers in India but also across the world, which Indian teachers, Indian education system can integrate, right? Because early childhood is the time where most learning happens, and we know, and it is in our education policy as well, that this is the time to integrate it, social emotional learning. So that's what we are trying to do, to integrate social emotional learning in early childhood.
All the best, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
नमस्ते सर।
नमस्कार।
आप हिंदी में ज़रा सा बताइए कि इस एम्पावरिंग एजुकेटर जो प्रोग्राम्स हुआ था ग्लोबल साउथ के लिए 17 मार्च से 24 मार्च के बीच में, उसका क्या निचोड़ रहा?
देखिए नाम तो आपने पहले ही ले लिया है। ग्लोबल साउथ जो है, जो साउथ ईस्ट एशिया और अफ्रीका की ये जो देश है जहाँ पे सोशियो इकोनॉमिक बैकवर्डनेस अभी भी है, वहाँ के टीचर्स को हम लोग 2 एस्पेक्ट में ट्रेन कर रहे हैं। एक है सोशल इमोशनल लर्निंग और दूसरा है डिजिटल टीचर। सोशल इमोशनल लर्निंग में इमोशनल रेगुलेशन, बच्चे को देखकर ही उसके इमोशंस को जज करके उसके ग्रोथ के बारे में जानना, कैसे टीचर अपने क्लास को एसेस करेगा कि उनका ग्रोथ प्रॉपर हो। एकदम रोड की लर्निंग की तरह नहीं कि बच्चे आए और आपने ऐसे ही पढ़ा दिया। सो दे आर ट्राइंग टू डू दिस सोशल इमोशनल लर्निंग टू मेक द स्टूडेंट्स फील बेटर इन द क्लास एंड to ensure their optimum learning. A digital education that improves, the how to integrate the technology in a very limited way to the classroom.
अपना परिचय बताइए सर।
मेरा नाम राज सिंह है और मैं अंतर विश्वविद्यालय अध्यापक शिक्षा केंद्र में भौतिकी का असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर हूँ।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद मुकेश जी।